Hi all, good morning. I hope all of you are doing well. This is our 15th video on chapter 4, The Amazing World at Your Fingertip. So in our last class, we have learned the history of internet, then computer networks, internet services, then our first activity searching for information, web browsers, Wikipedia, web pages and website address, web portal and World Wide Web. Today we'll start with our second activity, that is searching for images. Then we'll see what is search engines. Then we'll study about copyright and copyleft. Then how to save images from internet. Then our third activity, finding the meanings of words using online dictionaries. Then we'll study about online shopping. Then while using the internet, cyber crimes, mobile applications for anything and everything. Then IoT, that is Internet of Things. Then at last, the role of technology in disaster management. So our activity is searching for images. In our basic science textbook, we have already found some additional information regarding cells. Yes. Now we have to collect some images related to cells. How can we get images related to cells from internet? For that, we should know the address of the websites in which the required images or the images of cells are stored. We should know the address of the websites in which the images of cells are stored. But now we don't know the address of that websites. So if the website address is not known, internet provides other facilities to find out the information, and that is known as search engines. If we don't know the address of the websites where the required images or informations are stored, internet provides us other facilities, that is known as search engine. With the help of search engine, we can find out the information, images, videos, etc. from the huge repository of information in www without any delay. So if we don't know the address of the websites where the required informations or images are stored, we can use search engines to find out those informations, images, etc. Some of the examples for search engines are www.google.com, www.bing.com, www.duckduckgo.com, then www.yahoo.com, etc. So these are some of the examples for search engines. So now we have opened the web browser. We have to type the address of the search engine here in this address bar. So we are going to type www.google.com. After typing the address, press on the enter key in the keyboard. Now the Google search engine has been opened. We don't know the address of the website where the required images, that is the cell images, are stored. So we are going to search the images of cells. Without knowing the address of the website, how can we find out the cell images? For that, in this search engine, we can see a search bar. Here we have to type the word cell. After typing the word, press the enter key in the keyboard. Now, various websites related to cells appear on the screen. Now, in order to get the images related to cell, we have to click here on the images option. Now, we got many images related to cells. Here we can see many categories: animal, plant, human, labeled, diagram, model, structure, nucleus, biology, and a lot more. So we can select the required category and we can see the images related to that category. Now, can all the images seen on internet can be copied and used? Can we use all these images from internet? No. Some websites gives us the right to copy the pictures, but some websites do not give us the right to use those pictures. So that is copyright and copyleft. The information, pictures, movies, sounds, etc., whatever is available on the internet, it is prepared as a result of effort of different people. Some of them have an exclusive right to the person who developed it based on copyright law. So only the owner have the right to reproduce, reuse and republish it. That is known as that is based on copyright law. But some are free for everyone to use and modify. That is copy left. So some websites give us the right to copy the pictures or use the information in that. But some websites do not allow us to use the informations in that. Only the owners has the right to reproduce, reuse or republish it. That's about copyright and copyleft. So while we search and use information or pictures from internet, we must be aware whether it is free to use or not. If it is not free, we have to get the permission from the person or institution concerned with it. So while we collect pictures to be used after modification, we should download only those images which offers us copyright. How can we know which all images offers the copyright? For that, here you can see an option tools. Click on that. Now from here we have to select usage rights. From this, select the second option, that is labeled for reuse with modification. Now we get a list of images which can be reused. These images offers us copyright. Now how to save an image from internet? Suppose we need this image. So click on that image. Now that image will be opened here. Right click on that. Then select this option, save image as. Now a window appears. Here we can give a name for that file or that picture. So I'm going to give it a name, plan cell. After giving the name, we have to select the location or the folder where this image or this file should be saved. So I'm selecting the pictures folder. After that, click on this save button. Then this image will be downloaded in the pictures folder in home folder. This is how we can save or download images from internet. Now in your textbook in page number 56, here you can see a box. The picture of Mark Anderson is given here. He has developed a graphical browser which can handle images and sounds apart from the characters in the internet. So he has developed a graphical browser that can handle images and sounds apart from characters in the internet. In next page, that is page number 57, here the picture of Winton Cerf is given. He was the director of ARPANET project. He is known as the father of internet and he has played an important role in developing TCP/IP. What is TCP/IP? It is Transmission Control Protocol Internet Protocol. So this is a protocol. Protocol means a set of rules. Based on this protocol, the transferring of information on internet takes place. So Winton Cerf was the director of ARPANET project. He is known as the father of internet and he has played an important role in developing the TCP/IP protocol, the protocol on which the transferring of information in internet is based on. Our next activity is finding the meanings of words. We have many online dictionaries in different languages available in internet. We can use these online dictionaries to find the meanings of words in any languages. So some examples are Wiktionary.org and Olam.in. So let's see the first one. So we have to type the address of that website here in the address bar. It is given in your textbook. That is http://ml.wiktionary.org. So this is one of the online dictionary. Here you can give the word. So I have given the word river. Then click here. We got the meaning. Nadi. So this dictionary can be used to find the meanings of English words as well as Malayalam words. Another online dictionary is www.olam.in. Here we can give the word. Then click on this search button. Here we got the meanings of that word. There are many other online dictionaries also. So these websites contain the meanings of not only English words but also Malayalam words. And this is prepared using the information gathered from various Malayalam dictionaries, and it expands constantly with the joint effort of a number of language loving volunteers across the state. Then, facilities for translating the meanings of words and sentences to English and Indian languages like Malayalam, Hindi, Tamil, Kannada, Telugu, etc., and to foreign languages are also available on the internet. Then we can also use these online dictionaries without a computer or without internet connection. So offline versions of such dictionaries are available as mobile applications. So we can install such applications in our smartphones or tablets, and we can use these dictionaries without a computer or without an internet connection. Our next topic is shopping can be done sitting at home. It is about online shopping. We usually buy rice, vegetables and other things by going to shops, right? But there are many commercial sites on internets, many shopping sites. And by using these online sites, we can do shopping, and that is known as online shopping. We can order the required goods by giving our postal address in these sites. Then for payment, there are various methods. Either we can do online payment, or there is also cash on delivery options. Then the goods will be delivered to the given address by post or courier service. So that is about online shopping. And we know there are many online shopping websites like Amazon, Flipkart, etc. So let's visit one of them. Amazon. So this is the website for Amazon. Here in the search bar, we can search for the required goods. After that, we can place an order. We have to give the postal address. Then for payment, either we can do online payment or we can do cash on delivery. Then after that, the goods will be delivered to the given address by post or courier service. This is about online shopping. We have many websites for online shopping like Amazon, Flipkart, etc. Then for used products or used goods, we have websites like OLX. Our next topic is while using the internet. So while visiting the websites, we have to get the correct web address and we have to type it in the web browser correctly without any mistakes. Because sometimes some errors may occur while typing the address in the address bar of the web browser. And we may be led to some wrong websites, or we may be cheated by some people who utilize these errors for such purposes. So while using the internet, we should be very careful. We have to type the correct web address in the address bar of the web browsers. Then our next topic is cyber crimes. What do you mean by the word cyber? The use of modern information communication devices like computer, internet, mobile phones, etc. All these things are generally referred to as the word cyber world. And all the activities done using these devices, these information communication devices like computer, internet, mobile phones, camera, etc., which are against the law or which causes harm or defamation to persons, institutions, technical facilities, etc., are considered as cybercrime. So all the activities done using these devices which are against the law or which causes harm or defamation to any persons, institutions, etc., all these are considered as cyber crimes, and you will study more about the cyber crimes in your higher classes. Then our next topic is mobile apps for anything and everything. Now we are using internet facility in the computer for doing various activities like reading newspapers, banking, finding routes, ticket reserving, etc. All these activities are also possible in our smartphones by using various applications. So activities like reading news, banking, finding routes, reserving tickets, finding bus and train timing, etc., all such activities that we do in the computer, these activities can also be done in our mobile phones. For that, we have many mobile applications available. From where do we get these mobile applications? For that, we have Android Play Store of Google, then App Store of Apple, Windows Phone Store of Microsoft. So with the help of these, we can install such mobile applications in our smartphones and we can use it for various purposes like these: reserving tickets, finding bus and train timing, banking, finding routes, reading news, etc. So while using mobile phones also, we have to be very careful. Using mobile phones while driving will lead to accidents. So it is not right to use mobile phones while driving. Then taking photos and sharing them with an aim to defame persons or institutions are offenses. We should not do that. Then messages which offer gifts, lottery, etc., all these may have chances of cyber spoofing. So we should not react to such messages. Then creating false or fake messages which cause defamation to others or stand against national interest or generate rivalry among caste, religion, class, that is also an offense. Storing such messages in mobile phones, sharing them are also offenses. So these are some of the things that we have to take care of while using smartphones also. Then what do you mean by Internet of Things, IoT? It is a concept of connecting various objects like smartphones, tablets, computers, or even the home appliances, other electrical equipments to internet. Are the electrical equipments at home switched off? Is the valve of the gas cylinder closed? Is the door closed? So these are some of the things by which we are worried when we are out of our home. When we are far away from home, these are some of the things that go through our mind. Yes. So sometimes we'll be relieved only when we go back to home and check those things. But now all such things are possible by using the smartphone. The electronic equipments at home can be connected to internet, and by using the smartphone we can control the equipments and appliances at our home even if we are far away from our home. For that, we have many mobile applications and other facilities available. So that is known as Internet of Things. We can connect our smartphone and the electronic equipments and home appliances at our home to internet. We can control, monitor, observe these electronic equipments and appliances using our mobile phone even when we are far away from our home. This is made possible with the help of the technology known as Internet of Things or IoT. Then, what is the role of technology in disaster management? The flood of 2018, it was one of the major disasters that Kerala has ever witnessed. So, can we predict such disasters before it happens? Yes, computers can be used for analyzing the data from weather forecasting satellites and radars. We can coordinate the disaster management activities using such data. Then information regarding the climatic conditions of various or different areas, it is available in the website of Indian Meteorological Department. And it is the responsibility of Kerala State Disaster Management Authority to coordinate the disaster management activities in Kerala. And more details about these will be available in this website, sdma.kerala.gov.in. And these are the websites which gives informations regarding the climatic change. You can check these websites. So computers can be used for analyzing the data regarding the weather forecasting, climatic conditions and all, which will help us to predict such disasters before it happens. So technology has a major role in disaster management. Now let's see some questions given in Let's Evaluate section in your textbook, page number 59. First question is, the facility that controls the information repository on internet is? 4 options are given. The answer is World Wide Web. And second question is, Dash is a web browser. Here 4 options are given. In this, Mozilla Firefox is the web browser. Then third question is, the internet is? 4 options are given. Which is the answer? Option C, the mega computer network that spreads all over the world and facilities provided by it, that is known as internet. Then fourth question is, the facility which helps to find out information, pictures, etc. by searching the internet is? The answer is option C, search engine. Then fifth question, the trade using the facilities on internet is? Option C, e-commerce. And the last question, the website which can be used free of cost for collecting information. It is option A, www.wikipedia.org. So you have to write down these questions and answers in your notebook. So let's summarize today's class. Our first activity in today's class was searching for images. If we don't know the address of the website where the required informations or images are stored, how can we find out? For that we have search engines. And some of the examples are google.com, bing.com, etc. And we have used google.com. Then how did we find out the images related to cells? We just typed the word cell in the search bar of the search engine. Then we got a lot of images related to cell, but we can't use all the images. Only some of the pictures offers us copyright. How did we find it out? For that, we have to click on the options tool. Then from that we have to select usage rights. From that we have selected the second option, that is labeled for reuse with modification. Then we got the pictures which offers us copyright. We can use those pictures. Then how did we save the images from internet? We have selected the image, then it is opened, then right click. From that we have to select the option save image as. Then a new window appears. There we have to give a name for the image, select the location for the image to be stored, then click on save button. Then our third activity was finding the meanings of the words. We have used some of the online dictionaries, that is mldictionary.org and www.olam.in, to find out the meanings of English and Malayalam words. Then we have learned about online shopping. Then we have seen what all we have to take care of while using the internet. Then we have studied what is cyber crimes. Then we have studied that all the activities that is done using internet and computer can be done using smartphones also. For that we have various applications. We can install it from the Play Store or App Store in the smartphones. Then after that we have seen what all things we have to take care of while using mobile phones. Then we have also learned what is IoT, that is Internet of Things. Then we have seen the role of technology in disaster management. So these are the topics that we have discussed in today's class. I hope all these topics are clear to you. So by this video we are completing our 4th chapter. So we'll start our 5th chapter in next class. So see you next class. Bye.